from grade 5 and this is my English project, Earn Money. It's my sister's birthday next month. She had a dream to have an electric scooter as her all friends have. They all go to the park on it. I decided to give her electric scooter on her birthday as I have 500 saved from my pocket money. I made beautiful drawing which I posted online to get earning support from there. I needed 1,000 more to get electric scooter. I earned 800 by selling painting online. I need 200 more. I made some cupcakes and sold at birthday party. Altogether I have 1,000 now.